Tried to do my motherfucking nails. Okay, don't be mad at me. I know it's been a while, but we're gonna do them today. Here's the inspo. I am hoping that I can finish in one day. It is like 6:45 p.m. And if you're wondering if I rebought all my nail stuff, I did not. I had my mom ship them out. One thing that I did rebuy was this Beatles nail kit because I just didn't want anything to spill because it comes with this stuff. I am starting earlier than usual, so I'm hoping to finish with both hands by like 3 to 4 a.m. I'm gonna make my application hella nice, and I'm gonna start, like, I heard if you file the top, I don't know, it like lasts longer. I don't fucking know. You know what I'm gonna do? Something that I never do. I'm gonna soak my hands in warm water and I'm gonna push my cuticles back because they be looking crusty. How long do you think they need to soak for? It's already been like 10 minutes. I got these sticks from Target, but they were hella expensive. Don't go there and get these. This is also the only nail clipper that I have, so this is gonna have to make do. It's 7:12. I'm done pushing them back. They look a little crusty and I don't have any cuticle oil, so just ignore that. I forgot I also got these tips, and apparently they're supposed to fit better, so you know what, bitch, we're gonna try that. Yeah, I like these a lot. You don't need to file them as much as the Beatles one. I forgot to buff my nails. It's 7:25. I'm finally applying the press-ons. Bitch, I'm so scared. Like, I haven't done this in a while. I hope I didn't forget what to do or how to do it. I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. I think I'm scared as fuck up. It's going well. It's going well. Uh-huh. I think I'm getting better. It only took one try and I didn't have to redo it. Okay, second one. Oh shit, I forgot to turn on the lamp. Fuck. I messed up. I applied the finger crooked. Let me see if it can be saved. Oh my god. I think I fixed it. Hopefully there's no problems. This time I turned it on first. Oh. Yeah, I think I'm doing good. It's 7:43. I'm done with one hand. Bitch, I just want you to know I'm doing real good right now. Like, it's only been an hour and I'm a quarter way done. Either this finger's crooked or it's not working. It's 8:30. Bitch, I finished hella fucking early.